variation of atomic size in the periodic table. I mean how the atomic size of different atoms changes in a period or in a group. So if you want to know about that, just I will explain. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. These are the element of second period. You know it. Now when you consider the size of these atoms, the size of the atom mainly depends on the number of cell. If some atom contain more number of cell, then the size of atom will be larger, and if it contain less number of cells, size of the atom will be smaller. So in case of lithium, its atomic number is 3, that's why electronic configuration is 2 1, beryllium 2 2, boron 2 3, carbon 2 4, nitrogen 2 5, oxygen 2 6, fluorine 2 7, neon 2 8. So I have written the electronic configuration not in terms of your atomic orbital, in terms of cell I have written. So now we have seen first cell contain 2, second cell contain 1, first cell contain 2, second cell contain 4, first cell contain 2, second cell contain 8. I mean they have same number of cells. Lithium to neon, they contain only 2 cells. Since their cells are same, their size will be almost same, but you will get some difference in their sizes, because when you consider lithium, here the proton number is 3, atomic number 3 means proton number is 3, and electron number is also 3 for lithium. And if you consider fluorine, here proton number is 9, electron number is 9. As you know, protons are positively charged, electrons are negatively charged. So here 9 plus 9 minus, and here 3 plus 3 minus. So that is why, due to presence of more number of proton, as you know, proton and electron always have the force of attraction. Due to more number of proton, force of attraction will be more here. Here proton number is less, that's why less force of attraction. And due to more force of attraction, although they contain same number of cells like this, two cells, your first cell contain 2, second cell contains 7 electron like this. Due to presence of more number of protons inside the nucleus, which is also called nuclear charge, due to more nuclear charge, the force of attraction will be more, and due to more force of attraction, the size of the atom going on decreasing. Here proton 3, electron 3, so here force of attraction will be less. Actually force of attraction will be more or less, it depends on the number of proton. If number of proton is more, force of attraction will be more. Actually proton attract the electron, that is why as the proton number increases, force of attraction also increases. And that is why when you move from left to right in a period, the size of the atom always going on decreases, size going on decreasing. It is due to increase in nuclear charge. From left to right, the nuclear charge increases, and that is why the force of attraction between the proton and electron increases, and that is why size of the atom going on decreasing. So this is in a period. When you consider a group, lithium, after that you will get sodium, then you will get potassium, then you will get rubidium. Like this in group 1 you will get the elements. This is for group 1. Lithium configuration 2 1, sodium configuration 2 8 1, potassium configuration 2 8 1, 2 8 8 1. Here you have seen, here 2 cell, here 3 cell, here 4 cells. So down the group, number of cell going on increasing, and due to increase in number of cell, their size going on increasing, and that is why in a group from top to bottom the size increases. So have you got it? In case of size, in a period from left to right, size of the atom going on decreasing due to increase in nuclear charge, and in a group from top to bottom, size of the atom going on increasing due to increase in number of cells. As the number of cell going on increasing, the size of the atom also going on increasing. So this is called variation of atomic size in the periodic table, and this is very important. In exam the question will ask like this: define atomic radius, how it changes along a period and in a group. This type of question asked in your exam. And why the size going on decreasing, why the size going on increasing, that also you have to know. Now ionic radius, I mean the radius of ions. As you know, there are two types of ions, positive ion and negative ion. Positive ions are called cations and negative ions are called anions. If you want to determine their sizes and if you want to compare their sizes, normally anions, I mean negative ions, they are always larger and cation will be smaller for the same atom. For example, if you consider I minus iodide ion or iodine I, this is neutral one, or this is I plus, I mean iodine cation. Same element I have considered, one anion, one neutral atom, one cation. The size of the anion always larger than the neutral atom, than the cation. Cation is smaller. And why cation is smaller? For example, sodium. Sodium electronic configuration is 281. How many cells? 1, 2, 3. It contains 3 cells. But when you consider sodium ion Na plus means it release 1 electron, then the configuration become 2, 8. How many cells? 2 cells. So as the number of electron going on decreasing, cell number also may going on decreasing. Secondly, here number of proton 11, number of electron also 11, I mean 11 plus 11 minus. But here proton number is 11, 11 plus, but electron number is 10 because 1 electron is released. Proton more, electron less. So force of attraction between the proton and electron will be more here because proton attract the electron. If proton number is more, attraction will be more. Here proton number, electron number same. So that is why the force of attraction here you will get more than this one. And that is why as the force of attraction increases, then what happen? Size of the atom going on decreasing. And that is why cations are always smaller than the neutral atom. Now for the anion, if you consider chlorine and chlorine minus, chlorine atomic number 17 to configuration 287, how many cells? 3 cells. Cl minus means it gain 1 electron, configuration will be 288. It also contains 3 cells, but their sizes are not same, although the cell number is same, because here proton 17, electron 17, here proton 17, electron 18. So 17 plus 18 minus, 17 plus 17 minus. Since proton number is less here, the force of attraction will be less. If force of attraction is less, size will be larger. Actually, due to force of attraction, the size may be smaller one. So here, due to less force of attraction, Cl minus is larger in size, and that is why Cl minus is always greater than Cl. So always you remember, anions are always larger than its neutral atom, than its cation for the same atom. But for different atom, maybe cation larger, anion may be smaller. If you consider cesium ion, its atomic number is very high. And if you consider fluoride ion, F minus, its atomic number is less. It is anion, it is cation. But due to more number of cell here, cation may be larger. But for similar atom, if the atoms are same, then anion is larger than neutral, than cation one. So this is the process how to determine the size of the ions. In case of isoelectronic species, for example, Na plus 10 electron, Mg2 plus 10 electron, F minus 10 electron, O2 minus 10 electron, Al3 plus 10 electron. Since they contain same number of electron, these are called isoelectronic species. So in case of isoelectronic species, here proton number is 13 because atomic number of aluminum is 13, electron is 10. Here electron is 10, proton is 11. Here proton 8 because oxygen atomic number is 8, electron 10. So now you see where the proton is more. Here proton is more 13, so here force of attraction is more. That's why aluminum 3 plus is smallest among these. So as the proton number increases, size of the ion going on decreasing. Thank you.